Hi everyone, I am Abhishek Kumar. I am an Android developer and I develop Android apps. The one problem that I have faced with my career is promoting my apps to the people. But after attending the digital transformation workshop by Digital Infinity, I have learned how I can do digital marketing and promote my applications over the internet. This was something I really lacked as an Android developer because for me, I need to reach new users and new people, but I was not really very good with this marketing thing. But after attending this workshop, I realized how I can put effort into marketing that will produce some good results for me and will not just end up into something that doesn't gives me any result. So if you are looking to learn regarding digital marketing, you can really consider this course by the Digital Infinity.